In today's video, I am going to teach you how to use an icon wrapper in Figma. Start by opening your design in Figma and locating the icon you want to wrap. This workflow works best with vector icons so they scale cleanly. But it will still organize whatever you are using. Make sure the icon is a single, tidy layer or group so resizing behaves. Predictably, select the icon and duplicate it until you have 3 copies. You can use your preferred method, duplicate via the menu. Use a keyboard shortcut or Alt-drag to create copies side by side. Keep them near each other so you can see the size differences as you work. These 3 copies will become the small, medium, and large versions inside your wrapper. Now resize each copy to a specific square dimension, set 1 to 20, 4 by 24 pixels for small, 1 to 48 by 48 pixels for medium, and 1 to 96 by 96 pixels for large. To keep proportions intact, drag from a corner handle while holding Shift, or simply type exact values into the width and height fields in the right side panel, and make sure they match. If your icon has a stroke, double-check that scaling it still looks crisp. Adjust stroke scaling only if necessary so the shapes remain clear at each size. Rename the layers clearly so it's obvious which one is which. Using names like 24, 48, and 96 or small, medium, and large makes the next step intuitive. Good naming will surface directly in the size drop-down later. So keep it consistent and simple, with all 3 icon layers selected. Create a component set to bundle them into one wrapper. You can do this from the right side design panel by choosing Create Component Set. Figma will group the 3 sizes into a single component with variants. This becomes your icon wrapper, consolidating all sizes in one place and making them easy to reuse. To use it, open the Assets panel and drag an instance of the component set onto your canvas. With the instance selected, look to the right side Properties panel. You'll see a drop-down that reflects the names you gave each size. Switch between them instantly by choosing the size you need and your icon updates without detaching or manual resizing. That's it. Thanks for watching.